What is going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Tesla Model 3 getting wrapped in this really nice unique color by KPMF. I don't really see Teslas wrapped in this color, so stay tuned. The color is called matte sonic yellow pearl. It's basically a color made by KPMF. Really good color, really good vinyl, really easy to work with. I really love KPMF. Never said a thing about them. 3M, Avery, you already know, the top dogs. And the wrap really holds in. The adhesive activates like it should. A lot of wraps don't do that. Always tends to peel right here. Speaking about this area, wrap this part individually. There's a lot of videos about this. Use this line to your own advantage all the way to the other side and cut right here basically, because when you take the initial row, you're gonna blend it in right here and right here. I know a lot of people don't remove this light and then this light, but I did because I like my wraps to get in there nicely. Because I know for sure when you got the light, it's clear, so you could still see through the light and you could tell if it's been wrapped or not wrapped. So I got everything installed and I was thinking, man, you know, probably let me just show you what I'm talking about so you guys know exactly. Over here, look, put this thing back in here and you can see how it's all like folded in over there. There, like my pinky doesn't even fit in here, so I don't know how people will pull it off with this thing on, folding it inside there. So I don't know how people will pull it off, but I did. It looks so much nicer. Everything is looking crazy. The whole front end is finished. There you guys have it, all complete. I mean, this color looks crazy. So it's the matte sonic yellow pearl, and it looks unbelievable. To be honest with you guys, you don't really see this color out here, especially if it's a Tesla. Like a lot of people with Teslas be doing like sateen black, for example, maybe red, but not this color. This is crazy. This thing go hard, like especially with the black, the red calipers, and the white interior. Perfect combination. Perfect combination. Now really, this color is something else. So you already know the deal. Anything that could be off, headlights, mirror caps, spoiler, anything that could be off for that proper look. Anyways, look at this, the pearl. I'm telling you guys, it's really working. This color is unbelievable. It sort of like reminds me of sunflower, like the sunflower wrap that I used to work with by, I think, Tiny Bob, but no, this is on a whole nother level. This thing got character. This thing got that fidelity. It got that rich look, you know, that rich yellow, not that highlighter yellow. This is crazy. So if you guys ever think about getting it, I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks like in the sun. Whole different car. And if the sun is not being added, you know, it's subtle, it's clean, it's still not boring. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys real quick to the rear end. Obviously this has been removed, everything you see here. You don't have to remove the bumper completely. You could just take off that star-shaped screw, take off obviously this tail light, and this tail light. Then there'll be a 10 mil, I think. Just pop it off. It's gonna be like up to here sitting. That gap is gonna be created for you to fold in on the bumper side and on the quarter panel side. And that's it. That's how you really get away with it. You don't have to remove the whole complete bumper. I used to do it. Also, it's going to give you clearance to get up here and maybe even remove this thing, because I removed this thing on this car. Every Tesla that I do, this marker has to come off. As you guys can see, I went in there hella deep. It's looking nice. And that's really it. That's how you get the whole rear end finished. These cars are really straightforward unless you know what you're doing, but other than that, you shouldn't have a problem. So yeah, there you go.
Great. Thank you, Jim.
Yep. Eric came by earlier on. He was like surprised. So yeah, in the shade. I didn't show really in the shade how it's like in the garage, but yeah, there you go.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Crazy. So happy. Perfect. There you go. He's excited. Like, subscribe, comment. See you guys later. Peace out.